Are you looking to sell your cycle? Then this video is for you. A lot of us do have cycles which we haven't used in some time and may not use again. We might as well sell it to someone else who's going to use it. The first thing required would be to clean the cycle. For this, you don't need to do anything fancy. Just take a wet cloth and wipe the entire cycle down. For the drivetrain, use WD-40 to clean it up. And then lube it up using some proper lube. Once the bike is fully cleaned and lubed up, take photos of the bike. Now, you need to take a photo of the whole bike and then show off the individual components because that is very important. So to start off with, a nice full shot of the bike, the drivetrain, including the front and rear derailleurs, the brakes, your shifters and the brake levers, the pedals, and the tire condition. Now it's important to show all these little ribs when we want to say it's a very unused bike. In case there are any issues, like I have a slight corrosion on the stanchions, please show that also, because that's giving the buyer a much clearer picture before he comes to buy it. When you're looking to sell a second-hand bike, remember to price it as per today's prices, not the price you bought it at. If you bought it around COVID time, the prices were hiked up, so check today's prices and give a discount on that. Whichever is the lower price is what you need to take into consideration. Now take the photographs, put a nice little description and send it out to all your WhatsApp contacts. Put it onto your Facebook page. Also Facebook Marketplace and different groups where they sell and buy second-hand bikes. Like Cyclop, each city has its own cycling group. So add those groups and send it out in that. And well, best of luck. Also please be careful of scammers. A lot of scammers will send you a QR code and ask you to scan it and send them 1 rupee so they can send you money. Don't do that. You have to receive payment. You don't have to take their QR code. Send your QR code, let them pay. Only after payment will your bike go out. Well guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, safe ride everyone.